McDonald's coffee case, tort law and corporate accountability. Introduction. The McDonald's coffee case involving Stella Liebeck has been a source of public fascination and debate regarding tort law and corporate responsibility. In this essay, I will discuss my initial opinion of the case, how reading and now the rest of the story altered my perspective, and provide a detailed analysis of the injuries, verdict, impact on the tort reform, and corporate decision-making at McDonald's. Initial and prevalent opinions. Before this assignment, I was familiar with the McDonald's coffee case, and, like many, I initially regarded it as a prime example of frivolous litigation. The media had often portrayed it as such. However, a deeper online search revealed that the case was significantly more complex than it seemed at first glance. And now the rest of the story, authored by Michael McCann, provided essential details. Stella Liebeck suffered third-degree burns from the scalding hot coffee served at McDonald's. Furthermore, McDonald's had a history of similar incidents, indicating a pattern of negligence and a troubling lack of prioritization for consumer safety. Reading this account undeniably transformed my perspective on the case. Were the injuries justification for a lawsuit? Stella Liebeck's injuries unquestionably warranted a lawsuit. The severity of her burns and the extensive history of similar incidents at McDonald's underscored the necessity of holding the corporation accountable for the safety of its customers. While some might argue that spilling hot coffee is a risk that consumers assume, a fundamental difference exists between serving a hot beverage and one that can cause third-degree burns within seconds. The situation appears to be severe enough to warrant pursuing legal action. Do you agree with the verdict and damages? I wholeheartedly agree with the final verdict and the associated award. The punitive damages were entirely justifiable as they served the purpose of deterring corporate negligence. Corporations, including McDonald's, must be held accountable for their actions, particularly when they place their customers in danger due to reckless business practices. The significant award aimed to send a clear message: consumer safety cannot be compromised for profit. Impact on the tort reform. The McDonald's coffee case does not unfavorably alter my position on tort reform. Instead, it highlights the significance of maintaining a well-balanced system. While it is crucial to prevent frivolous lawsuits, it is equally imperative to safeguard the rights of consumers. The case serves as an illustration that the legal system can effectively address legitimate grievances while at the same time deterring corporations from prioritizing profits over the safety of consumers. Corporate decision-making at McDonald's. If I were a member of the executive team at McDonald's, I would endorse that a proactive approach should be taken to prevent comparable incidents from happening in the future. To accomplish this, several key elements should be implemented. Firstly, consideration should be given to reducing the temperature of McDonald's coffee to a safer level. This prevents severe burns and maintains the product's quality. Secondly, all containers for hot beverages should bear clear and conspicuous warnings to notify customers of the potential burn risk. Additionally, it is crucial to establish a system that promptly addresses and resolves customer complaints regarding safety concerns, demonstrating a strong commitment to customer safety. Lastly, employees should be provided adequate training on responsibly handling and serving hot beverages. Implementing such measures can significantly decrease the likelihood of similar incidents occurring in the future. Conclusion. The McDonald's coffee case demonstrates the need for a thoughtful and balanced approach. Stella Liebeck's injuries were undoubtedly severe, justifying legal action and an appropriate settlement. This case highlights the importance of a fair tort system that upholds consumer rights while discouraging frivolous litigation. It also offers valuable lessons for corporate leaders, prioritizing customer safety and corporate responsibility over profit. By taking proactive measures, companies like McDonald's can prevent future incidents and ensure the well-being of their customers and reputation.